The 20-foot splash display setup is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Locate the pivoting light clips on both frames, as this will be the top. With both frames side by side in the upright position, remove the two center clips from their hubs. Next, fully expand one of the two frames. While holding in place, begin to connect the locking clips. Once all the clips have been locked, gently lay frame on the ground. Repeat these steps for the second frame. When laying the second frame on the ground, make sure its hubs butt up against the frame 1's hubs. Start our recommended graphic install in the front top corner of one of the splash frames and place the loop of the graphic onto the hook of the frame. Also, connect the graphic to the second faceplate down from the top to secure it for the rest of the install. To connect the graphic to the rest of the frame, start at the top and work your way across to the opposite side. Now secure the graphic down the side. Once at the bottom, go back over to the original side and connect the graphic to the back top faceplate. Then continue down the front side to the bottom. Finish up the face portion of the graphic install by connecting the graphic to the bottom faceplates. Before standing the frame into the upright position, make sure the graphic is connected to the top back faceplates on both sides. Two people are required when lifting the frame into the upright position. Now finish connecting the graphic to the wrap portion or backside of the frame. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the 20-foot splash.